welcome back to my channel. Let's keep it, baby. The unit that I'm going to be reviewing today, I did purchase from Go Beauty New York. This unit is by Sensational. Her name is Dee, and I have her in the color 1B. This is what Dee looks like on the stock card. Now Dee, she is a hand-tied deep lace parting. She is a synthetic unit. This unit does come in other colors, and it comes with care instructions on the back. This is what Dee is looking like straight on out the pack, y'all. I think we're going to have some fun today. Before we get started, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. Now, this unit doesn't come with any lace. She has 2 combs in the front. She has a comb in the back along with adjustable straps. And it does look like she comes with a little bit of baby hairs as well up here in the front. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Woo! Y'all, look at this! Yes! Oh, y'all! Oh! Let me listen. Let me go ahead and do what I do, and then we're gonna discuss Miss D. Okay? And get that out of the way. I'm gonna give Miss D 4.5 Ks. Yeah! Yes, honey, yes! 4.5 Ks for Miss D, you hear me? Let me explain to you why I gave her 4.5 Ks. First of all, she's extremely comfortable. So for all my big head ladies, this is nice and secure, but not tight. Second of all, she is extremely soft. Now, I had experienced a little tangling as I was running my fingers through it, but that is to be expected because look at these waves, honey. Like, let's talk about these waves. These waves are something serious. I love the way the hair feels. It's extremely soft. It's nice and bouncy. It's not too hot. One thing that I do wish about this unit is that I wish it was like a little bit shorter. Maybe it's just me. But if it was a little bit shorter, I would like it. But I like it this length. Like, I'm really digging this unit. Now, I've seen other YouTubers turn her on the side. I decided to leave her in the middle. I just felt like it would just be too much hair trying to come over on the right side of my face. The parting space is decent. It could stand a little plucking, but I did just put some powder in the parting space. I do wish that it was a little deeper, but I'm loving this hair. This is glamorous hair, honey. Yes. I don't know why this hair is giving me Solange vibes, but it really is. I haven't had any shedding with this unit at all, but this is big hair, honey. So for the ladies that like that big hair, this unit is for you. Yes, Miss Sensational Dee is going to get 4.5 Ks out of me today. Okay, let me turn around so you guys can see the back of this unit. should be a big wind fan blowing in my face, like. Oh, I forgot to let you all know, my KKs, we have hit 2K. We are over 2K. So KK's 2K giveaway will be coming soon. So make sure you be on the lookout for that video. So turn those notifications on. You already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and then sit back and wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, have a blessed week.